Hey, sorry I'm late, Darla.
That's okay. Hi, I'm Darla.
Good to see you. Nice to see you.
Good to see you.
We met about a year ago.
Yes, we did. Yes, we did. I'm glad to be back. Just to give you a little bit of history, you do know us as National Wall Covering, and we've been in business for almost 40 years now. I have shown you some wood veneers before in the past.
I've used them.
Okay. What we've done is we have decided we've been in business in the wood industry for 20 years. So I just want you to know that this is we're not babies and new to wood veneer. But what we've done is we've made a wood solution program that will carry you from the wood veneer all the way to anything that you would need wood on, including exterior finishes. So what we're going to start with is our wood veneers. As you can see here, we've got our natural woods. This is what we have in stock, which are 45 species, and I'll let you take a look at those. We can custom stain those to any color that you would like. We also carry the recons, and if you're not familiar with recons, it's still a real wood. However, it is a log that's been engineered by man.
Okay.
So you're still getting real wood. Don't think this is not real wood. Reasons that you would use this is in case there is a species of something that you would like and it's not readily available, then we can mimic that species for you.
Okay.
Like I said, we've got those 45 in stock, ready for you to ship anytime that you would like.
What's the cost on these?
The cost is going to run you anywhere from $7 to $12, probably 10 to 15 installed in your area.
A sheet?
A square foot.
Oh, square foot. Okay.
Yes, square foot. Right. And then this is how you specify it. All of this is going to be on inside of every one of these components. The great part about this is if you want real wood veneer on your job, this is going to be the most economical way to use it. For you to use
I've got
wood.
some millwork I want to match. Is that something you can do with this?
Absolutely. If you will give me a sample, a controlled sample, then I can get you a sample within 5 days.
Okay.
For you to review and approve. So absolutely. We love to do sampling at National. We can give you a sample of any of these wood veneers and overnight them to you, have them tomorrow morning.
Oh, cool.
So if you see something here that you like, let me know and I'll get it ordered for you.
Okay. Even the customs?
The customs are going to take 5 days.
Oh, wow. That's cool.
Yeah, 5 days, which is pretty unprecedented. So next we have our architectural panels. Okay, this goes up like wall covering. Your wall covering installer will be able to install that. But let's say that you want something that's more dimensional. It's got some depth to it. This is going to be your architectural panels. I'll let you hold this. This is basically, we're going to start here again with our wood veneers wrapped on MDF board.
Nice.
Once again, we can custom color that for you. We do have samples available to overnight in that right there in all 45 different species.
So I can just pick whatever veneer I want?
Whichever veneer you
make
want,
a panel out of it?
and we will send you a sample of that panel.
Okay. What size did you say? I'm sorry.
I think they're 5 by 10s.
Okay.
Is that right?
We'll go up to 5 by 10.
7?
Maybe 4 by 10.
4 by 10? Okay.
Technically, yeah.
All right. Okay, with this product, what is so incredibly great about it is that we also supply the mounting systems that you can have. So the facade is more of a traditional modular type mounting system. And then the grid system is a system that is going to be more contemporary, more modern looking. But with the facade, what is fantastic about that is if you have a wet wall or a wall that has electronics in it, which you see a lot, then you can remove the panel and access the back of the wall, which is really incredible. And you can build this wall out basically as far as you want to where you could even walk behind it.
Yeah.
So for that reason, if you need to be able to access the back, the facade is what I would definitely suggest, and it is a traditional, more traditional look. And then this is going to be your modern contemporary look.
Okay.
And once again, we have, this is something that's very, very awesome, is we have a team of engineers available to you. So if you were to give us your elevations, then we will go and do all of that behind the scene technical type work, drawings, that sort of thing for you. We supply that.
How much is that?
That's going to run you probably around $30 a square foot.
Oh, I mean for the, just for...
For the consultation and all of the, that is free of charge to you.
Okay.
All right.
Cool stuff. Now continue.
Okay.
Sorry, I forgot to turn.
Oh, that's
some of
okay.
those on.
Happens a lot, right? Okay. So now we have the architectural panels, and we're going to build onto that. We all know that wood veneer has its limitations, and it doesn't matter if it's my wood veneer, someone else's wood veneer.
Mm-hmm.
It all has its limitations. So what we came up with, which is an incredible product, it's called compact wood. Basically what it is, we're starting once again with our beautiful wood veneers that is fused onto a phenolic panel there. As you can see, it comes in 18 species that we carry in stock. Doesn't mean that you can't have any other species that we have available in our wood veneers. It's just that we have these in stock for you.
Okay.
Now, the beauty of this is, number one, we were voted gold. We won gold at Neocon, which is a very, very prestigious award, as you all know. This product can be used indoors or outdoors. The great thing about it is it's passed the boil test. If you're not familiar with that, that is a test where they have boiled this for 48 hours, and it did not delaminate, it didn't disintegrate, it held up, came out just like this.
Okay.
Lots of great uses for this would be exterior cladding. We're doing that right now on several racetrack stores. So they have definitely been using our product and very happy with it.
So can I use your architectural panel system to hang it?
Yes. Basically what we do is we handle all of the hardware for this.
Okay. So
Yeah,
you do the panels and
we do
the
the panels
hanging system?
and the hanging system,
Okay.
all the hardware. Yes, we're taking all of the hard stuff off of you. It's this product. All of these products are for you to have ease to use.
Okay. But I can't use that outdoors, or I can, or
The architectural panels, no, but you can make architectural panels out of compact wood, and then you would be able to.
okay.
use
So
it
I can use it with the hanging
Absolutely.
system outdoors.
Sure.
Okay.
Absolutely. Yes. And like I said, we can custom color this also. This is great for tabletops, for restroom partitions, that sort of thing. Once again, your specification instructions are here on the inside of the book here. And it is scratch resistant, waterproof, and impact resistant.
Good.
Heavy, heavy duty material here. Okay, and then with all hard surfaces, what do we have? We have acoustic issues just about always. All of these products are reflective and sound reflects off of it. So what we'd like to show you now is our acoustic planks. This is a really cool system with a clip. It just clips in, it's a tongue groove. And then these planks are 7.5 by 109. And so they come readily available. We have these in stock in walnut, cherry, maple, and oak. What's great about this is you can get an NRC value of 0.75 to 0.95.
Oh wow.
This is the finest perforation. I'll show that to you. You can probably see. That has the highest NRC value, but we can do different size perforations for you. What's wonderful about this too is that we can make baffles, we can make panels, clouds, whatever the aesthetic is that you want. The beauty of all of this is we're starting with the wood veneer that you chose, and we're carrying it all the way through so that there's consistency and quality throughout the entire wood solution program. So do you see anything here that you think you could use or that you're looking at for a project that you have going right now?
Yeah, we actually need to VE some wood.
Uh-huh.
It's not a new space, so we have to match some
Right.
some millwork. Can you
Sure,
can you match it with this?
Absolutely. And if you can give me a controlled sample today, within 5 days I should have something back to you for your approval.
All right, and then I think here we're saying with the acoustic, I think we might actually take you up on that for that space as well.
Okay.
Can we match the millwork
Absolutely.
with that? So those two will match
Yes.
my existing millwork? Oh,
Yes.
Wow.
Our whole thing here is to have consistency. I know a lot of places you'll go and you see, okay, this is one color, this is another color. They tried. You can tell that they tried. Kind of missed the mark. Our whole thing is to have consistency, consistent quality, the colors to be the same, to match, and like I said, We're the one-stop shop for wood solutions. So anything that you need, as far as your project is concerned, we want to be able to supply that to you. Another thing that we do, we know that sometimes your budget will not allow for certain things. If you will just tell me what it is that you want, when you want it, what your budget is, we will actually offer you suggestions on which direction to go if this seems to be overwhelming to you. We will take a look at all of the variables and make a decision as to give you several options, but we try to work within everybody's budget and give them the wood that they want.
Okay, let's go get the plans, and I'll show you where we need to switch the wood out.
Perfect.
And then if you could give me some recommendations on where we might add some acoustical panels.
Sure, that
We'll go
sounds
from there.
great. Sounds great.
Great.
All right, thank you.
Thanks, Darla.
Uh-huh.
Bye-bye.
Bye.